Hi guys, so I'll be telling you how to make a paper ninja star. All you will need is two A4 size pieces of paper just like this, and a pair of scissors. But if you're using origami paper, you won't need scissors, but you'd still need two pieces of paper. The first step you want to do if you don't have origami paper is fold it so this corner matches like that, and then go like that. And then you want to cut off this excess bit of paper. Just like that. And then you want to do that to the other side. Now if you have origami paper, you just want to fold the corners in like that on both sides, but if not, just open the pages up and have it so the lines come down that way and that way. And then what you want to do is fold this up, this line, so it meets the top, and then unfold it, and then fold it to the crease you've made. And then do that on the top, and then fold that in half like that. And then you want to do that on the other side. And then open it back up, and then fold that up to there again. And then do that over here. And then fold that up like that. Then what you want to do is fold it in half, so this line meets there. And then open it back up, and then you should see a faint line that comes either here or there. And if it's on this side, you want to fold that side up like that, and then the other side down. And then you want to do that to the other one. Make sure not to rotate it upside down like that, just keep it like that. And then fold that in half, and open it back up. Now this time the line's there, so I fold this side up, and then the other side down. And then these two pieces should make a Y shape. Then what you want to do is turn it over, and then get this corner and bring it down to there. And then on this side, get that corner, bring it down to there. And then you kind of make a Z. And then you want to bring that bit there. You want to fold that over, so like that. And then do that on the other side. Then open it back up. And then do the same on this side. So you want to bring that to there. And then bring that down there. And fold these up. And then open it back up. Now you should have two Z's, and then you want to put it like that, so they point like that. Actually, no, you want to put this one on top that has like that crease line there, on top like that, and then you want to fold this corner in that gap in there, and then do that on this corner. This is where it can get a bit tricky. And then you want to flip it over and then put that corner into this gap. Just like that. And then do that on the other side. And just put it in there. And there you go, a paper ninja star. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.